Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use template on CapCut. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on the template at the bottom. And after this, in here you can see many templates that you can use. In here you can see a beat template, mimic template, or the videos font fly or a status, so you can use everything the template that you can use. But in here I want to try to add this one, so you just click on it. And after this, if you want to use this template, so you can click on the use template at the bottom, click on it, and in here you can add the video that you can to edit. In here I need a Vive video, so you can add the Vive videos. So I wanna add this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on this icon, click on it, and after this, in here you can see the previous videos like this. And now if you wanna export this video, so you just click on the export at the top, and after this, in here you can click on the export. If you wanna export without a watermark, you can export this icon. You can export with this icon. And finish. So that's how to use a template on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.